Hey friends, Future Lee here. So it would help if I actually recorded intros to these videos, but when you're so busy with theme park days, it's really, these things slip your mind. So the intention of this video was to show you the full process and give you a tour of where we stayed at Alton Towers. So it didn't really happen that way. I did the full tour, but didn't do the intro and the starting part. So obviously stayed a couple of nights at the Enchanted Village in one of the Woodland Lodges. It was around about £300 or so for a couple of nights there, so it's pretty reasonably priced. That was with the Merlin annual pass discount, and that was out of season as well. The full check-in process, you can't take your car actually to the Woodland Lodge. You have to go and park at a main car park at the top, so as you drive into the Alton Towers complex, you follow the signs for the Enchanted Village. You go and you can take your car down to check-in, but once you finish that, you have to go and park your car up in the main car park. It's a very much a on-the-foot kind of job there. Much in the same way as somewhere like Center Parcs will be. You can take your car down at the very start, but then it's got to go back in the main car park after that, right? So really confusing system. Didn't get it to start with. It wasn't actually very well signposted, but once I got there, you know, I got to grips with it. So the purpose of this is to give you a tour of the complex itself, give you a little bit of an idea as to what the complex looks like, give you an idea as to what the dine-in options are there, and then you've got a little shop as well, and then take you on a little tour of the Woodland Lodge itself. There will be a couple of time jumps because we're trying to record this during full theme park days. Time gets away from you, as I said there at the start. So hopefully you find it useful and it gives you a good idea as to whether you would like to come out to the Enchanted Village and stay at one of these Woodland Lodges. If you do enjoy the video throughout, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos, but let's go and give you a tour. All right, so once we come down this road, down here is the drop-off area for the Woodland Lodges. You've got a couple of disabled parking spots and you've got a few normal parking spots. This is like a 15-minute drop-off area, and then it's a one-way road around. You've got the Stargazing Pods here. We're not really going to give you a tour of the Stargazing Pods, but, you know, just they are there. You know where they are. The pods are separate. Shower, toilet facilities are just there. And then as we come round, we've got a map of the resort here. So we're around here at the moment. We've got the reception area, and then we've got all of the Enchanted Village lodges. And then you've got the rest of the hotels. You've got Adventure Golf, we get that included in our stay as well. And you do have luxury treehouses, which are down the bottom here. Can I go inside? No? Yeah. And then we got the welcome reception area. You got your theme park hours. You got all your restaurant times at all of the hotels. And then you got evening entertainment that is at the Alton Towers Hotel. So the reception area, quite small, little check-in area. And you check in beforehand online. You don't have to, but then you come in here, pick up my key, want to check in, put in a code that they give you after you check in, and then it will print your passes here for the room, the key cards. The Enchanted Village activity book as well. And then you've got a phone charger facility there. Cool, so that's the reception area. Head down here to the left A little kids play area just here as part of the resort. And then up here we've got the Crooked Spoon. This is the on-site restaurant. Just take you inside and show you what the breakfast offerings are, because breakfast is included. Let's go into the Crooked Spoon. This is the restaurant on site here. We've got food down one end, and we've got the seating area down the other end. We've got a bar there as well. Just show you some of the food offerings. It's got full English breakfast. You got your toast, your jams, teas and coffees down this end. Juices, cereals. And then we've got pastries there as well. It's quite a good food selection actually. And it all looks really fresh. Okay, so after the restaurant, just coming slightly back on ourselves, we head down this way. I'm not going to show you sort of like everything because obviously all of the lodges themselves are roughly the same, but you can sort of get down to each of the lodges this way. You saw it on the map. You've got a few accessible lodges. You've got a couple of play areas like in between each things. You've got some disabled parking spots as well. You've got another play area. It's nice, it's peaceful, well kept. Some good facilities. And they're just quite cute as well. And then you've got the Enchanted Village store here. Little cute ride, claw machine, and you've got a vending machine there to get a few snacks. Just here in the shop, unfortunately, yeah, it is closed. Please visit the Alton Towers Hotel. But basically that's got some merchandise in there. It's got some food and drink. You can get alcohol, you can get sundries like toiletries and things like that, anything you would have forgotten. So it's good that they've got that facility, but yeah, it's closed today. So I do wish they had that open. So unfortunately I can't take you in, but just know that it's there. And then apologies for the wind. It is very windy today.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Just go up this way, take you and show you some of the lodges. You see kind of how cute and chill they are. Right, we're staying in Lodge 731. There's going to be a bit of a time jump now as we move into the night where I had to do the room tour. And apologies for the mess in the room there as well. So let's give you a tour of our cabin here, 731. Apologies, it is dark. But you've got a nice little, you've got a nice little porch here. And a couple of seats. Come in, just chuck some lights on. Apologies for the mess in here. But we have stayed in here one night already. But you got a couple of chairs there, a little table, TV on the wall. You got a little desk area. A little drawer here has got a hairdryer in it. You've got teas, coffees, Borders biscuits as well. It's quite nice. You've got your kettle there as well. You've got a little sort of cubby area here for like your clothes, you put your bags there, whatnot. You've got a couple of plug sockets in there. Just in here, this is like the kids' room. You've got your bunk beds. You've got a little light for each bunk bed, which is cute. And then you've got a mural on the wall of your little Woodland, Enchanted Woodland. And then you've got like a little picnic blanket and a storybook on the floor. That is something that we did have as well, the Enchanted Village storybook when we came in. One of the neat little touches is this little fairy nook and a little light there. You can turn that light on as well. And then obviously you've got main double bed there. Either side you've got a couple of plug sockets on the little shelves. You've got lights above the bed as well. It does come with this like piece of wood pillow and then a little mural of the village itself. And then we just head here into the bathroom. So bathroom is a bath shower combo, overhead shower, detachable shower head. They do provide you with soap as well, hand soap, shampoo, body wash, and all the amenities. You've got loads of towels in here as well. But yeah, that's kind of the full extent of the room really. Not a big room, but you got everything that you need. And I do like the cute little touches of the mural and the flooring and stuff. It's neat, it's tidy, it's small, it's cute. All right, so that is the end of the tour. Very short tour there of the Enchanted Village here at Alton Towers, but hopefully it's given you a good idea as to whether you would like to stay at the facilities here. There's quite a lot going on at Alton Towers Resort as a whole. You've got the Splash Landers Hotel, you've got the Alton Towers Hotel, you've got the Stargazing Pods and CBeebies Hotel as well, and some really luxury tree houses. Pretty good. They've got a lot. They've got a lot of options. Probably come back up and stay in a hotel next time, but this is a good option to have if you want that little bit of separation from the world and you don't want to see on the corridor, let's say. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video and it's given you good food for thought. If you have enjoyed the video, throw it, give us a thumbs up. Do appreciate it. It really does help us out a lot. Great if you could hit the subscribe button, bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks.